Hey everybody, April from Left Hook Creations here. Today I'm going to be doing, or trying, an open cup pour. I've done a couple of these that haven't worked out, and I think I just haven't put enough paint on the canvas and, you know, that kind of thing. So we're going to try it again, and maybe it'll work this time. So I'm going to make actually kind of a bigger puddle here. And just get this going. So what this is and ignore my children in the background, is a cup that has no bottom, and you pop it in your paint, and then you pour paint into it, and then it flows out under the rim of the cup, under the color you have down here. So I think we'll go, white, yellow, I'm gonna hopefully have this not move around too much because I really don't want it to. Kind of want to do a little bit of orange. And then a red. You can lift up on it a little bit and that'll kind of help it out. See what's happening around there? Oh yeah, look at that. All right. I'm gonna put another layer of black in. White, yellow. I'm running low on this orange. It's so awesome though. Orange, red. And every once in a while you can give it a little zap. This is looking great so far. It generally makes some really awesome cells. All right, one more layer of black here. And some white. I'm trying not to do too much white. Give it a little buffer. It's starting to roll over on itself. Over on the side here. And I don't want to lose all the cool yellow that I have. Now the tricky part is getting the cup off. If you don't want to leave a giant hole in the center of just straight color, which I don't, so I'm trying to kind of skim the top here with with my cup. There. Ooh, starting to run over on this side. I thought this was level. Okay, so here's what we got so far. So there's no silicone in this paint, so this is a really great way to like get some awesome cell action if you don't have silicone or you don't want to use silicone. I don't generally use it, so I'm starting to get, uh-oh. I think I have a big piece of gunk stuck in my paint. I really don't like pouring out of the bottle like this. It's not my favorite. Because then the sides get all gunky. All right. So we're just gonna sort of help this along a little. Just kind of let the paint know where it's okay to flow. And now for the really messy part. Let me get a few pieces of paper towel ready for myself because I'm a messy paint pourer. Okay, so let's kind of get this moving around. I don't want to lose all that awesome yellow, but it's going to happen. But it's going to come out really cool looking anyway. Oh, more yellow's popping up. Yes. That's awesome. Do I want this centered? I kind of do. Some people do things off center. I don't usually do off center stuff because I'm weird. Oh yeah. Super drippy. It's okay. I'm gonna go wash my hands and in a second here. And then clean everything else up. All right, first, I want to see if I can bring you down for a close-up, although this is going to change a little bit more. Because cells are going to keep popping up, which is awesome. All right. So look at these cool. Love this corner. I have these pinhole ones, but they might get larger, kind of like these here. So hopefully that'll happen. This is a fun technique, and this is honestly the first time it worked out really well. I think I just needed to use more paint. I love all the colors within colors within colors. Like these big fat cells here are awesome. It's turned out really great. I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. And until next time.